In this video, we will learn how to safely do Ardha Chandrasana or half moon pose at home. The only thing we will need will be a wall and maybe a block. So to start, let's come to the left edge of the yoga mat. Feet are together in Tadasana, so Tadasana. Pull the kneecaps up, engage your thigh. Tuck your tailbone in, belly in, roll the shoulders up and down. Good. Now that you are ready, hands on the hip, bend the knees and step out in large stance, same as for warrior 2. So the right foot will go out, the left foot slightly in, open the chest, open the heart, bend the right knee to the right side. Good. Stay here, feel this opening. Alright, arms at the shoulder level. And from here we will lean forward to the right side and we will lift slightly, we will lift and walk our left leg while we are doing that. And we'll place the right arm somewhere in front of the right knee. So that's why I have prepared the block, so it will give me some comfort while doing that. Alright, arms at the shoulder level. Bend the left knee and walk slowly to place the right arm down. Alright, from here, hips are in line so that buttocks is touching the wall. It will really give you some support here. And start lifting your left leg up. Alright, and when you're ready, when you have the support of the wall for your buttocks and for your left heel, lift the left arm up. And now pay attention to have your shoulders on the wall again. You may look up or front. Avoid looking down because this will really confuse you and make you lose balance. Let's breathe here for 5 more breaths. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bend the right knee and slowly step down. Feet parallel to each other. Good. Let's do the left side now. Again, large stance, same as warrior 2. Left foot goes out, right foot slightly in. Arms at the shoulder level, bend the left knee. Good. And once you're comfortable in this position, your shoulders are open, your hips are open. You feel the stretch in your hamstrings. Then bend the right knee and slowly start walking front. Again, place the buttocks on the wall. Lift the leg, lift the right up. And then let's stay here for 5 breaths again. 5. Shoulders are at the wall. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Bend the left knee and come back. Feet are parallel to each other. Bend the right knee and come back in Tadasana again. Very good. So what are the benefits when we do Ardha Chandrasana or half moon pose? We are strengthening our legs. We're also working on the glutes and the hamstrings. It is also an amazing position for the nervous system, and because it is a balancing asana, it's very good for improving the concentration. I hope this video was helpful for you, and see you on the mat for the next classes.